Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add comparison table to WordPress website. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, we need to head over to the website right here, and you can just head over and sign up. Once you have signed up, click on this add new app right there, and then click on this search bar right here and search in here for pricing table. You can see it's right here. Click on this, and then from in here, you can choose a template that you can use. So we have in here the pricing grid, pricing columns, comparison table as well. So let's head over and use this comparison table. Click on this continue with this template, and you can head over and then change some few more things right here. So you can just click on this one and you can edit out the features as well as the text that you have in here. So I'll not head over and then edit it. I'll just head over and then save this up is, but for you, head over and then change or edit out your comparison table. We also change out the layout as well as appearance of this one. But once you're done with that, click on this publish option. And then once you have clicked on it, just choose a plan. Select this free plan right here. And then from in here, it will show you this. Click on copy code. And then let's head back to our about page. Let's click on this plus icon right here. And then let's search in here for HTML. Now in here, let's head over and then just drag this particular HTML or block into wherever you want. So I'll just head over and then add this right here. And then I'll just head over and paste this. So you can click on this preview right here. And as you can see, we have now our comparison table. So just save your progress and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.